Hello, I want to provide another challenge for you for this operator section. Mainly I want to demonstrate the use of the size of operator. So let's start in describing the requirements. In this challenge, I want you to create a C program that displays the byte sizes of basic data types supported in C. Right. So the reason this challenge is kind of cool is because I keep mentioning, but maybe it hasn't stuck in your head that depending on the actual system you're running on, whether you're a different operating system or different architecture hardware-wise, you may have different memory sizes for the various data types. An int may be 4 and it may be 8, doubles may be 8 or 16 or whatever the case may be. And it's very important to understand that. And if you start hard coding numbers, it's going to cause problems in your program. So you want to use the size of operator. Now you don't necessarily have to worry if your program is running on a certain system. It's always going to work the same. Okay, so this challenge kind of demonstrates that. It forces you to use size of. Now we're going to be using size of operator a lot more when we talk about pointers, but this will get you a little challenge. It'll get your hands a little dirty with this operator and also get you more familiar with some format specifiers related to this operator. So again, depending on the system you're running, the output might be different for this program. But you're to write a program that displays some basic data type sizes. It's pretty simple, shouldn't take you that long. But what I want you to do is use the printf function to display the byte size of the following types: int, char, char, long, 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 double, long, double. And the usefulness of this program will be to run it on multiple actual computers to see the differences. But when you print out this data, you can use the %ZD format. This is, I think, supported in C99, so you should be good. But this format specifier will help format each size and print it out correctly. Other than that, this function or this program is really just going to use the size of operator and demonstrate how sizes vary for memory for different data types. Again, the key will be to test this on more than one computer to see the differences. But this program should not take you that long. You don't even actually have to create variables if you're clever. You can just use the printf statements themselves and see. This is more for your knowledge on the size of operator. In addition to these challenges, definitely do more challenges on using the operators for converting different types. You know, there can be all sorts of conversion. I mentioned the Fahrenheit to Celsius, but you could come up with conversions for converting any type of data set. Or just go into your math book and look for different equations and try writing programs for them. That will also help you get familiar with some of the different operators in C and how they're supported and how they're used. But good luck on this one. Again, it shouldn't take you long. I'll provide a quick solution in the next lecture, show you how to do this, but pretty straightforward, just using the size of operator. Thank you.